Excuse me? Yes, that was me.
You call it embarrassing. I call it sending a reminder.
When you haven't eaten for a while, I start my cleaning process. It's called the migrating motor complex, but you can just call it housekeeping.
I contract and move air, fluids, and leftovers through your digestive system.
And when those movements push air around, it makes that loud growling noise!
That sound doesn't always mean I'm starving. It just means I'm active, doing my job. But if you'd like me to stop performing this concert,
Send down some food, immediately. Feed me well and we stay quiet. Ignore me and I go surround sound.